Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 25. My name is Walter. We are still working on combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. And today we have a question that has addition, division, and subtraction. According to BODMAS, first we start with bracket, and we don't have a bracket here. Then we come to off. We don't have any off. After that, we come to division. We have a division here. We have 3 1/4 divided by 2. So we'll start there. That is 3/4. Plus, I'll change this into improper fraction. That is going to be 4 times 3, 12 plus 1. We got 13/4. Divide by 2. Multiply by 3/4. Take away 1/8. I'm going to make 2 as a fraction, so I'll put over 1. This will be equal to 3/4. Plus, I'll keep 13 out of 14. And then I'm going to change division to multiplication. After that, I'm going to reciprocate 2/1. That is going to be 1/2. Then I'll drop the rest. I'm still working to the place where there were division. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply numerator, multiply by numerator, and denominator, multiply by denominator. And then I'm going to drop the rest. Thirteen multiplied by 1, you're going to get 13. 4 multiplied by 2, I'm going to get 8. Then I'll drop the rest. According to BODMAS, already we have done with division. Now we'll go to multiplication. We are going to multiply 13/8 multiplied by 3/4. And then we are going to drop the rest. Thirteen multiplied by 3, we are going to get 39. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Then I'm going to drop the rest. That is take away 1/8. According to BODMAS, already we have done with multiplication. Now we go to addition. We are going to add 3/4 plus 39/32. I'll find the LCM of 4 and 32, which is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 times 3, we get 24. 32 divided by 32 is 1. 1 times 39, we got 39. Then we are going to drop the rest. That is take away 1/8. 24 plus 39, we get 63/32. Take away 1/8. According to BODMAS, we are going to finalize by subtracting here. The LCM of 32 and 8, it is 32. 32 divided by 32 is 1. 1 times 63, we got 63. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 4 times 1, we get 4. 63, take away 4, we remain with 59/32. But 59/32 is improper fraction, so I'll change it into mixed number. This will give us 127 out of 32. Hope you get idea on how to work with combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.